Suspended DCP Abba Kyari is in the Federal High Court Abuja for the continuation of hearing in the suit filed against him by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency for allegedly tampering with 25 kilograms of cocaine. He wants the court to revisit his bail application, which was filed on May the 12th. He told the court through his team of lawyers that the review of his bail application has become necessary in view of the threat to his life. However, the prosecution counsel opposes the application on the grounds that he was not served a copy but only got wind of it in the open court. He also cites Section 306 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, insisting that the request is against the provision of the law. In a brief ruling, Justice Emeka Nwite held that in the interest of justice, the court would adjourn the matter to enable parties exchange necessary court processes. The judge subsequently fixed June the 14th, 2022 for the continuation of hearing in the matter. Aside from Mr. Kyari, 3 other police officers that are equally on trial over the alleged offense also want the court to okay their release on bail on safety grounds. While the court is adjourned, it appears Mr. Abba Kyari and his colleagues will have to spend more time at the Kuje Correctional Facility in Abuja until the court reconvenes.